I'm going to the library. Hi, Louie. Well, what's up, everyone? How's it going? This is just this is an ordinary vlog. I haven't really vlogged in a while. I seem to have forgotten how awesome it is to have a break from your home. It's not just where I sleep, it's also my office, my studio, it's literally everything. It just gets really stressful if you just hang out there for a while. So recently I've been going out with my laptop and then just sitting down and focusing on it. Today I'm doing some social media planning. Also, personal update, I'm proud to say that this car that I'm driving in is now mine. So I took out the middle seats and now I use it for, well, you know what I use it for? Camera gear. Of course I use it for camera gear. You can fit so much stuff back here. All right, let's go to the library. Hi, can I please get a study room? I've got to get gloves or something. The library is awesome if you didn't know. There's so much more here than books. You can buy food, you can rent a study room. Well, not even rent, just like borrow. It doesn't cost anything. Also, free Wi-Fi. So, I brought my laptop and there's a power strip back here. And now I can get to work on what I need to get work on. Yeah. Go to the library. It's awesome. You will not regret it. My productivity has just gone since I started going to the library more. Highly, highly recommend. That was a good session. I just had like an hour and a half meeting with myself about social media. I came up with a content strategy. Like I have theme days now, so I'm gonna do like Timeline Tuesday. So I'm gonna post a timeline. Then What's Up Wednesday. That's just gonna be personal update every Wednesday. Thursday is gonna be Random Thoughts Thursday. Finally got some consistency planned out for once. And like this is probably gonna get all screwed up schedule wise, but I can still like move different posts different dates, so it's fine. In 15 minutes I'm supposed to leave here and meet up with Angel. I might need to get food first. I'm really hungry. What is there to eat around here? I'm checking out.
Hi, welcome to Sonic Community Study. What can I get for you?
Number 2 medium combo.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. That was a very productive early afternoon. That was awesome. I want to do that again. Thank you. So I totally would like set it back here and eat, but I know I'm gonna be heading out pretty soon. But in the future, check this out. There's just like so much room for everything. I call it the mini limo. Is awesome. Hey, can you come here for a second? So Angel, what do you think of the new car?
So, what I like about it is that there's like so much space that you can just like lie down and have a panic attack right here, which is really nice because I have really high anxiety. Yeah, I have a couple ideas of where I want to go, mostly like downtown, and I have a lot of street style items that I want to rock today.
All right, so looks like we're going to downtown. We live in Las Vegas, Nevada, so downtown Las Vegas, that's a lot of neon lights, but also alleyways. There's all sorts of cool stuff down there.
So I decided I'm gonna sit up in front, but the cool thing is with all this amazing great space, you can stack a bunch of stuff. Your backpack, your keys, your camera, your shoes, your water bottle, you. That really hurt actually. Uh-oh. Call 911.
We're in downtown. Here, how about this wall?
Let's try it.
This guy left his battery for his camera in his car, so
I left everything in my car.
We're not using his camera. This shoot, I guess, or hangout shoot, has kind of turned into an iPhone shoot because he has the iPhone 11. See, even on my quiet days, I somehow end up making content. Let's do this.
Content creators. This one's sick. This one's sick. Oh, these are all sick. Oh, I like all of them.
I've recently discovered how awesome it is to go to the library with my laptop and just work. But you, of course, edit on your laptop. So what's a trip to the library like for you?
The reason why I like the library is because at my house, there is a family of 4 different people, not including me, and they get loud really quickly. When I do go to the library, it's just a lot quieter. There's not people yelling, there's no music playing. And if you kind of get in the atmosphere, like it puts the vibe that you gotta put in work. Because if you're in your house and you're just laying on your bed, what psychology says that if you're working on your bed, you're not gonna be able to go to sleep at night because now your brain thinks that's work time. So by having somewhere where it's pure work, it's books, it's paper, it's pencil, you get a lot of stuff done a lot quicker.
So how do you feel about the photos we got?
I absolutely love them.
We're not done, by the way. We're just going to a different spot.
All right, is this the part where like you're supposed to rap for me? Like, is this like where just like?
Oh yes, but you're gonna need to hold it down. Hold
Okay.
the camera down, like literally.
This is the next episode of Uber and Rap, I think it's called.
Like, do I just...
Yeah, just start rapping off the top of your head, freestyle. How about you beatbox freestyle? I mean, beatbox for me real quick. Chillin', grillin', going to the crib, going to the club, you ever hitting that pub, yeah. Going to Fremont, get a drink up. Steven going, he on driving, I'm here rapping, straight on trapping, ayy. We gonna hit this dip, ayy, while I hit this whip. Chilling with your girl, ayy, at the crib, ayy.
Alright, for this next location we're going to, all in that area is paid parking. So we're actually gonna rent some bikes. Something a lot of people don't actually know about me is how much I love cycling. I got a lot of passions I don't tell you guys about. I mean, like, of course, videography is my main one, but also cycling. I have a big thing for buses and transit that I can't really explain. I just love trains and stuff. I love maps. Like Johnny Harris is one of my favorite YouTubers at the moment. I was telling them about about all my weird obsessions. Like,
I like that you have to say your passions.
do you have any?
So when it comes to weird obsessions, I guess for some reason I have a weird obsession with like animals. For some reason, like just like watching like National Geographic on animals is like really cool for me. I don't know why. I'm also really obsessed with like dances, even though I don't know how to dance and I don't want to learn about it.
We had to walk to a different station because that one, the card reader wasn't working. So I love biking.
Slam dunk, are you ready to make me? I'm lit and I'm riding the fast lane.
This is gonna be kind of difficult to document riding on the bike, so I'm just gonna kind of leave this around my neck and see what happens. Yo, the bikes. All right, Angel, before we get into like copyright and music territory, I want to get some last actual valuable things for the vlogs.
Me, I'm very pencil and paper type of person. I'm not like electronic in the sense of I don't do a to-do list. I don't have a Google like or whatever like use spreadsheet. There we go. Google. I don't use Google spreadsheet. Why? Because I know for a fact I'm not gonna look back on there. I like to have a journal to-do list, and I'll write down everything I need to do that day. By writing it down, it like is a little bit different than writing it down in your phone. It's kind of like when you looked at the board and you want to take notes. Some people would take a picture on their phone, but who actually goes on their phone and looks back at the notes, right? And by writing it down, you learn a little bit better and you keep it in your mind. If Google Spreadsheet is your thing, go for it. But if it's not, then I recommend actually writing it down. For me, it holds more value than a spreadsheet. But that's just my opinion.
I actually use Trello for most of my productivity organization stuff. I feel like that could be a whole video in and of itself, just how I organize that kind of stuff. I don't use that for YouTube. I actually use that for my client work. I don't know, let me know down below. Would you want a video on that? Like a little productivity video, Trello tutorial, something like that. But like for YouTube, I do have a spreadsheet for that. This kind of feels like a TMZ interview. Like you're walking away and I'm like, hey Angel, how's it going today? You have a bullet journal or something?
I do have a bullet journal. So what I do is like I'll wake up and I'll go to the gym. So I'll have a bullet point. It'll be gym at, for example, 6 o'clock in the morning. And then I'll have like little teeny bullet points as like a subheader of like what's the video gonna be about and what are the things I'm talking about. I made it so that you can see me perfectly, but you can't see Steven. I did this on purpose. I had to call it ROTC because the bikes, like they didn't register that I had put in the bike. But honestly, today was surprisingly a lot more fun than I thought it was gonna be. I got my Instagram reels done. We got a lot of cool photos. I mean, it was just amazing today. But yeah, that's basically all today. We had a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed this video a lot. I hope you got some value out of it. And I hope that my tips did make sense as far as productivity goes. But thank you so much for watching. We sincerely appreciate you. you know, just having you along to, you know, watch us as we go on our stupid adventures and get some content for y'all. I think it's really cool to have somebody kind of go with us. Hope you guys have an amazing night, or I guess day, whatever you're watching at. And hit that subscribe button down below to Steven's video because he has some amazing content.
And of course, I'll link him up here.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. And also give it a big like down below if you enjoyed this video or got some value out of it. But anyways, thank you so much again for watching. You're amazing. You're awesome. Stay productive.
And stay stylish.